When it comes to sump pump and sump pump discharge ideas, at KC Pier, we tend to be pretty basic and straightforward. We like to bury the sump pump discharge. We like to get the water at least 20 feet from the house, and we like to have it negatively graded away from the house once it ultimately discharges. We'll bury that line so you won't see it. We'll put a pop-up drain so it'll pop up, allow the water to discharge, and then go back down so you can mow right over it. And hopefully you just never know it's there and it just simply operates forever. That's the ideal way that we use discharge lines here at KC Pier. But there are some creative ideas that you could do as well. We've seen people that want to discharge that water into a strategic place. Like if you have a gardening idea, or if you want to use it as some type of beginning of a waterfall that leads to some type of landscaping project that you may have, you can use that water. And that's really when it comes to the homeowner and their ideas. We can place the water where you want it. You just have to have the idea and the suggestions for us to make. But ultimately what we're going to do is we're going to get the water away from the home so it's safely directed in a way that it's not going to affect your foundation, and ultimately discharge in a direction that it's not going to come back to the house. That part you can ultimately count on when it comes to KC Pier working with sump pumps and discharge. But if you have other ideas like gardening and landscaping ideas, those are things that you can work with our structural consultant, and we'll simply build that in to the overall project so you can get not only the function from the sump pump, but you can also get the form and the aesthetics piece of it that you're ultimately looking for as well.